Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In the last session we have learned about creation of assemblies and sub-assemblies. So in today's session we will learn a new concept about linear section editor. In order to do that, let's access the file saved in the last lecture, which was lecture number 79. Let's select the corridor by simply left clicking on it. Under Section Editor, we have these two options. First, we can edit the viewport configuration, like what do we want. The options of the layout are two vertical, like this, we have a plan and profile. Then two horizontal, like this, we have a plan and a profile. Then three right, two on the left and one on the right side. Then we have three left, one on the left and two on the right. Then three above, two at the bottom and one at top, and then there is three below. For equal, we have four different equal squares throughout the screen. Let's choose three above and then press yes. Now we can view edit options for the section editor. Here default view scale is 2.5, rebuild on edit yes, front clip, back clip, then there are the grid settings. We can turn on or off the apply viewport configuration. We have adaptive grid, major line every, and there are few more things like the major grid line color, it's blue, we can change it. Major grid line color, here is cyan, we can change it or keep it as it is. Now we can press OK. If we have done any changes, they would reflect. After pressing on the section editor, we get this thing. We have three above configuration. We have profile, plan, and the surface. We can even change it. We can zoom in, zoom out by simply left click one time in the viewport. We can adjust as per our requirement. Here we can select a station, like currently we are at start, we can go all the way to the end. So if we choose this one, we have a marker at this point. Here you can see this white marker. Here we have this one. Moving next, we select this station. Now you can see the white marker here and here. Again, you can see it at the end. We have a station tracker, so we can make it to the all viewports. Now all we need to do is simply move our cursor from left to right and you can see the changes. How the tracker is moving in other viewports as well. It is very convenient to track the station. Similarly, we can access any other viewport and the same thing would happen there. These features might seem very underrated, but sometimes they are very useful. So here we can do the change assembly. We have all these options available, but currently we are not going to do it. Then we have the parameter editor. You can see all the sub-assemblies here like the right lane, right curve, etc. All the parameters can be changed here. Like we have changed the base depth to 0.15, the override is true. Now we can simply close it and see the effects. Apply to the station range, or we can update the entire corridor like this. And then we can close by this tick mark. So this was the linear section editor. It is very convenient quite a few times. Now we can save it as lecture number 80 as we were doing all the changes in lecture number 79. Once it is saved, we can close this session and call it the day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.